Hey guys, this is a Russwin Cylinder, 5 pin. It's kind of interesting though. There's a couple different things than your normal cylinder that you'd find with just the key pins and the the um, the drivers and the springs. So after I pick it here, I'll gut it. There we go, it's picked. So, let me reposition the camera. Okay. This stuff's kind of a mess here. Just okay. Here's my tools. Okay, so okay, first chamber.
How do you get the most satisfaction? For some career-minded people, it's when they work toward a goal and reach it. The same may apply to you when preparing for your career. In fields like electronics technology,
There's a driver.
technology, and drafting and design, you need knowledge and
Probably
skills
can't
to
see
get
that,
started.
but
That's why
it's a
you
regular.
should go to ITT Technical Institute. At ITT Tech, you can develop knowledge and skills to pursue opportunities in a variety of career fields. Call 800-741-5123. ITT Tech's programs are designed to help you develop skills and knowledge to pursue your career interests.
Okay, as you can see, in the first chamber here, it's got a ball bearing that is underneath the key pins. From what I've been told, it pretty much lessens the wear on the key, and it lets the lock be in use for longer. So there's the driver pin, the key pin, and the ball bearing. Okay, chamber 2. Okay, got a driver. Oh, key pin, driver. And there's a ball bearing in the second chamber as well, as you can see. Pretty much from now on, everything's standard. You know, you just get regular key pins, regular drivers. Actually, and the fifth and final chamber. Okay. So there's the 5 chambers. The first 2 have the ball bearings in them. But what's kind of cool about this lock as well is for the plug to be removed, you can't just remove it once it's picked in this position. It doesn't come out. So once it's in the pick position, you have to actually either take all the pins out, have a key, or pick it counterclockwise. So it comes to about the 5 o'clock, and the plug will just slide out. And inside here, I don't know if you guys can pick this up real well, but right here, there's a little nub, just a little knob that just basically goes into this little cut in the plug. I don't know. Anyways, there's a little cut in the plug right here. Pretty much stops it from the plug being removed, unless it's rotated counterclockwise, like so. Anyways, thanks for watching the vid. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.